In this lesson, we're going to have a look at how to solve simultaneous linear equations. And the first question we really need to ask is, what is a linear equation? And then find out what simultaneous equations are and then learn how to solve them. The hint about what a linear equation is comes from within the word itself. And the answer to this question is that a linear equation is the equation of a straight line. So what does a linear equation look like? And the answer is that it has either one or two pronumerals, that's letters, and they only have a power of 1. So the way we need to understand this is by looking at a few examples. So here's 3 examples of linear equations, and you'll notice that this has got 2 pronumerals and they have a power of 1. Same with this example, and this one is a linear equation as well, but with only 1 pronumeral. Now, when an equation has only one variable, such as x equals 5, it actually will be a line that is either horizontal or vertical, so it won't have a slope. And in fact, in this case, x equal to 5 is a vertical straight line. Here are the graphs of the 2 equations, y is equal to x plus 4 and y is equal to minus 2x plus 7. So even though they can be expressed in an algebraic way, they can also be expressed by drawing them. 2 different equations and 2 different straight lines. Each straight line has its own unique equation. We call these linear equations. So the next question is, what are simultaneous linear equations? And the answer to this is, when both lines are drawn on the same graph, they are known as simultaneous equations. And the solution to these equations is where they intersect. So here's an example of simultaneous equations. There are 2 occurring at the same time on the same xy axis, and the point at where they cut is known as the solution to the 2 simultaneous equations. And in this case, they cut where x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. So we say that the solution to the simultaneous equations is x equal to 1 and y equal to 5, or if you like, the point, the coordinates, 1 and 5. The next question we need to look at is, how do you solve simultaneous equations? And the answer is that we can do what we did on the previous example. That is, we can draw the graphs on the same xy axes and find out where they cut. So we need to draw accurate graphs in this case. However, there are 2 algebraic methods of solving simultaneous equations, and we need to look at both of these so that we can solve 2 different ways. The first way, or the first method, is the substitution method, and the second method is the elimination method. Now, in the next 2 videos, we're going to have a look at both of these methods, and we're going to take examples to show how they're worked out. So go to the next video on this topic and you'll find the first method, method 1, how to solve simultaneous equations by substitution.